the house for the collector to get the fees from the boats going through the canal. This was the second porch put on, and this would have been used for the second canal. The first porch was closed off when the first canal ceased to be used.
From the entrance of the old canal, you are looking at the toll collector's house. And just off to the side is the old canal.
This is the old canal, and if you look at some of the holes in the walls, that indicates where the gates were. It's not in use anymore.
You're looking at the historic canal. It's long been abandoned, but a few years ago they did restoration on this part that you're looking at, just to keep it for historic purposes. I would say so too.
Don't look open though.
It's all right. You're gonna stay in.
Yeah.